Good morning, everyone. This is Elsie Kerns, your Chaos to Clarity coach, and it is our Sunday morning meditation. And by request, I'm doing this again via video. So sit up straight, palms face down on your thighs. Take a moment to feel your feet on the floor and allow them to connect to the earth. Take a deep breath in and just place one hand on the forehead and the other hand on the heart. Let's connect the head and the heart before we start. With a deep breath and let go. Palms back face down on the thighs. We're going to begin by imagining that line between heaven and earth, remembering that we have individuated into this form, but are always connected to the great divine. So let us just imagine the warmth, the brilliance, the joy of that golden sunshine moving down into the crown center and lighting up those neurons in the brain, creating new neurons and new pathways. Allow the warmth of that golden sun to slide down over the face, soothing the eyes, relaxing the jaw, letting all of the muscles of the face be soft and relaxed. As that golden sun fills the brain, face, it's going to move down around the neck, letting that neck be flexible, able to move easily, freely. Now feel the warmth of that golden sun sliding down each and every vertebrae, relaxing, renewing, restoring the nervous system. As that warm golden sun slides down each and every vertebrae, you might see it as liquid honey, nourishing, soothing the entire spinal column, and inviting that nervous system to relax and restore, creating a sense of calmness over the entire body, mind, and spirit. Now, as you close your eyes, imagine again that warm golden sun moving down through the front of the torso, nourishing all of the organs, off the shoulders, down the arms, and out the hands. Just feeling the magnificence of Mother Nature's golden sun. As that golden sun moves down through the thighs, let us have it spend a few extra seconds at the knees, that delicate knee that supports that strong femur and the lower leg. So take your palms and just place them over the knees for a moment. Let's just love those knees. Now let that golden sun flow down through the lower leg and caress the feet, relaxing, renewing the entire body. As that golden sun moves through the feet into the earth, we then invite all of that energy, both from the earth and the sun, to move back up over us and, like an energy shower, move down through us, slowly, calmly, easily, and freely, all the way down again, through us to the feet. And now we ask that golden sun to move down through us and light up every cell of the body with its healing light, bringing light and transformation, healing to every single cell and to a specific area that you might request help for. We also ask that golden sun to light up, to double and increase those miracle stem cells in us. And that deep breath in, letting that golden sun move through us. Finally, we're just taking one hand over the other, just above the heart, at the high heart. And we're holding all of our being in love, honor, and reverence, just as we are in this moment in time. Taking a breath, letting it go. And again, holding all of our being in love, honor, and reverence, just as we are in this moment in time. We're just taking this time as sacred space for self-care, self-love, and self-compassion. And as Marissa Peer reminds us to say, I am enough. So take a deep breath in and let it go. Bring your palms back face down on the thighs. And let the shoulders drop. Let the shoulders be relaxed. Let go of the burdens that we carry on the shoulders. One deep breath, relax, and let go. I wish you a peaceful Sunday and week ahead. This is Elsie Kerns, your Chaos to Clarity coach. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.